Hi guys, today I'm with a very special guest today, Angela Richard. She's a social activist, director of Richard Books, adventurer, and also she just mentioned 2015 Miss Sri Lanka. So I'm very happy to have you here.
Thank you.
To be aside and talk about a book that I released.
Thank you for having us.
So the book that I released was Master the Game of Money, which is all about money. I think now you are into adventure and entrepreneurship and a lot of things. In addition to what I said, anything else that you're doing?
What else am I doing? I think you kind of got it all in a book. It's like taking risks, doing new things.
Right.
You know, that's always something we do. And I love being with people. I love meeting new people. I love interaction. So I think you got me in a gist.
Great. So I'll just mention about this book, which I would also like to present to you. So the Master Game of Money book is being written about finance. So when you talk about finance, people think finance is a very sophisticated topic. But when you look at finance, it can be simplified. So when you simplify this, all about everybody is dealing with money. Everybody will get 1,000 rupees or 5,000, they will spend it. But how to grow the money? How to keep the money with you? It's been explained in the book now. The main words are the money, mindset, and wealth being used here. So money is one money we get, then how to manage it and having the right mindset. Now to do wonders like which you are doing with one person doing so many things.
Wow, you
Like you went to adventure and all this and entrepreneurship and managing another company. You have the mindset. Other people will say, I can't do it, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll postpone it. So you have the right mindset and generating the wealth. So that is all about bringing this book written. So I also saw that you were going through the book. And I would like to just run through like the first chapter is about personal financials. Like even a normal individual general person can they get money. So how to have a financial goal. Now any person will have a goal like okay, this year they are going to achieve financial freedom. But financial freedom for some people 10 million is sufficient. But for you, I definitely 10 million is not sufficient. For me, yours it's not. And for the viewers, sometimes your financial goals also might be different individual to individual. So some people will have 100 million, some people have 500 million.
I mean, money is a subjective value end of the day, so we should never say that something is too much or too little.
Too little.
Never should say that.
Exactly. And about income and expenses have been explained, budgeting, then managing debt, then about investing. Now, I've been in the stock market for 20 years.
Oh, wow.
Like you have been in your industry expert.
About 20 years, yep.
Yeah, 20 years. So the thing was, when the COVID lockdown happened, I just thought to do something different. And then I started the MasterMind ROSHAN YouTube channel. And now it's grown. And then there was a request to do a book. And that is how this book came out.
Wonderful.
And also explain many ways to increase your income and investment. So this is what the book is all about. So I saw that you were also going through.
Yeah, and with your permission, if I can give you my 2 cents of what I feel the minute I see this book.
Yeah.
One, I love that it's very clearly, it's got exactly what's in it. And when you actually flip through it, I love that it's so easy to read. Because most of the time, a lot of us, especially when the font is just meh, you don't feel like going through it. But this book, I feel like the information just jumps out at me. And I can't ignore it. It's there. It's easy to read. It's wonderful. I love that you have diagrams to easily explain and visually show us how this works and how it is. And I think it's a wonderful book, not just for an entrepreneur, but even for example, a mother, a father, someone in your family, even your kids, if they can get into it. And I think that's a wonderful way that you teach people how to use their money. And I'm sure there'll be plenty of tips I can get from you. I'm honestly so glad and so proud of you as a Sri Lankan for coming up with this. This book I feel can definitely go global, and I'm really looking forward to see you on the global stage one day.
Thank you very much. So I also hope to take this into internationally and hope you also will be able to support us to
As
get this
much
message.
as I can. I'm so happy to see this.
So thank you very much. So we would like to officially gift books for you, and this was for you. So this Master the Game of Money to increase your money, mind and wealth.
Right. And guys, but if you haven't yet, buy the book. I'm telling you, it's absolutely worth it. Take a read. You'll definitely make sure your investment is returned probably 1 million or more times over.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you.